Guys, today we're taking a look at VideoProc Converter AI and specifically whether it can breathe a bit of life into your old DVDs. Now, if you've got a stack of DVDs sitting around somewhere, maybe old family videos, maybe films you still enjoy, you know what? You're going to know the problem. They look, well, a little bit rough on modern screens. Low resolution, a bit soft, and definitely not something that looks great on a big 4K TV. So today I'm going to show you how you can take one of those old DVDs and turn it into a modern digital file and then use AI to actually improve the quality and upscale it. So if you want to see whether this can genuinely make your old DVDs look a bit more respectable on modern screens, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is VideoProc Converter AI, and the idea behind it is actually pretty straightforward. In a nutshell, it's a piece of software that lets you convert video formats, rip DVDs into digital files, compress or edit video, and use AI tools to improve quality. But today, guys, I'm focusing on something that, believe it or not, quite a few people still want to do. They want to take a DVD and turn it into a modern digital video file. Now, because, you know what, let's be honest, not many laptops even have DVD drives anymore, and even if you can play them, well, the quality can look pretty dated on modern screens. So the first step is simply converting the DVD into an MP4 file, and then looking at how we can upscale the quality, well, to look a bit more 2026. Now guys, before we get into it, the team behind VideoProc Converter AI did send me over this software to take a look at and to give my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's jump in and I'll show you how this actually works. So here we are inside the software, and you know what? The interface is actually pretty straightforward. Across the main screen, you've got a number of very useful tools, but for this demo, I'm focusing on the DVD conversion side of things. So the first step is simply loading the DVD. You click on the disc, select the drive, and the software analyzes the contents of that DVD. Now, that takes a few seconds while it scans the titles, and once it's done, it automatically selects the main video. Now, from here, you can choose your output format. You've got lots of formats like MP4, MKV, HEVC, 4K profiles, but you know what? For most people, MP4 using H.264 is the easiest option. Why? Because it works on pretty much everything. Laptops, TVs, tablets, phones, you name it, it just works. Also guys, you can tweak things like the hardware acceleration engine, CPU usage, and so on. But in most cases, you know what? The default settings work perfectly well. Then guys, all you need to do is choose where you want the file saved. And once everything looks right, you simply hit run. Now, depending on the size of the DVD, this can take a little while, but once it's finished, what you end up with is a standard MP4 video file, which means you can now play it anywhere. Laptop, tablet, phone, smart TV, no discs required. But this is where things get a little bit more interesting, because the next step is where the AI tools come in. Back in the main interface, there's a feature called Super Resolution, and this is designed to improve the clarity of older footage. So we load the video we've just created, and the software applies an AI model that attempts to generate additional detail. And you can choose just how much it scales the video. Oh, and by the way, there's lots of different AI models to choose from, including the new Nano Banana, which, if you don't know what that is, go Google it, come back, carry on watching. Now, like I said, you can choose how much you want to scale the video, 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times. For this demo, I'm just going to use 2 times upscale, and once again, you hit run, and the software then does its thing. It analyzes each frame and attempts to enhance it, sharpening detail and improving the perceived resolution. And the really useful thing here is the side-by-side preview, because you can see exactly what the AI is doing. On the left side, you've got the original footage, and on the right, you've got the enhanced version. And in a lot of cases, you can clearly see the difference. Edges look sharper, faces have a bit more definition, and the overall image just looks cleaner than the original DVD version. Now, it's not going to magically turn old DVDs into native 4K movies. That's just not realistic. But it can make older footage look noticeably better on modern screens, especially if you're trying to preserve older videos or archive a DVD collection. As let's face it, discs take up space, right? And they can get scratched or damaged and are definitely not worth any money on the second-hand market anymore. I've got tons, I can tell you that for a fact, but it's not convenient to watch them. And while some movies can get streamed already, you can get versions of them, personal discs you've made yourselves of family memories, etc., are simply priceless and irreplaceable. So guys, there you have it. VideoProc Converter AI is essentially a very practical tool for modernizing older video content. The DVD ripping part is straightforward and easy to use, and the AI enhancement tools can definitely help improve the look of older footage. For anyone who's got a collection of DVDs that they would like to digitize or older videos that they'd like to upscale a bit, it's actually a pretty handy piece of kit to have around. It's not magic. You're still starting off with DVD quality, but the results can definitely look cleaner and more watchable on modern screens. And guys, at the time of this video going live, check out their website, which I will leave a link for the latest license prices, as there always is a deal to be done. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And you know what, if you've got some old DVDs sitting around and you'd like to convert them into something a bit more modern, well, this might just be something worth checking out. Guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up, because it really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to the team behind VideoProc Converter AI for sending me this software to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.